Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making certain the tile is powered and your phone is ready. This saves time later. Open the Tile app, sign in or create an account, and grant Bluetooth and location access so communication works. Once done, press the Tile button to enter pairing mode. The app will detect it automatically. Tap the on-screen prompt to add the tile, name it for what you'll attach, and choose a ringtone. These steps connect hardware and cloud, so tracking can start immediately. Now attach the tile to your item firmly. Use the keyring slot, adhesive, or a case designed for it so it won't fall off. In the app, assign a clear name and enable location history if you want past locations saved. Make sure separation alerts are set at a sensible distance and adjust ring volume so you hear it in typical environments. If others need access, invite them. This shares tracking power. Doing this makes the tile useful and tailored to your daily habits. To finish, find your item using the app map for the last known location, or press Find and make the tile ring when you're nearby. If the tile won't respond, make sure Bluetooth is on, then replace the battery or repair the device. This resolves most connection problems. If that fails, check app permissions in your account and contact tile support for advanced help. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify phone permissions first. Most issues are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.